Right, we'll say it's 1 o'clock on the 22nd. I've got the heater on 2 pips. Right, I just got to hope this works out because I already did some videos. When I went to edit them, they were sideways and most of the picture were missing. Right, this is just to see how much fuel consumption there is. Right. That's at the bottom of 17 litres. So I'm going to do this and keep checking on how much fuel it goes through before that runs out and how long it's run for. I'll keep you updated. Right, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little blue dot in there now. I saw on one of YouTube videos that it reflects the heat of some black shiny reflects the heat, so I've stuck a bit of blue in there to see what the temperature is, and I can get it on that bit every time then. Right, hold on, where does we get, there it is. That is the temperature on the little blue bit of paper that's in there, and the heater has been on 2 pips all day. Now I don't know how hot it's supposed to get, but it's above freezing in here, but it definitely is not warm because I've been sat all day with 2 jackets on. I don't know if I can turn the camera around. No. But this is what I've been like all day. My body's warm, but my hands are cold. So I'm hoping it kicks out more heat on an higher setting. Right, it's 7:20 on 23rd, Thursday today. No, is it Friday today? Either way, it don't matter. I went outside to check on the fuel consumption yesterday on number 2. Right, I will just turn this on.
Start up.
Right, that should be on number, yeah, it's still on number 2 from yesterday. But I went outside to see how much fuel it had gone through, and I was shocked to say the least, because it had been running all day. I think it started off on 17, was it? Yep, it started off on 17 and it is now on 15. So it burned 2 litres running all day. And I'll just go have a look at my bit of paper, see how long it was running for. Actually, I think it was running from about 1 o'clock or something. Yep, it got turned on at 1, turned on at turned off at 10:30, so it ran for 9.5 hours on 2 litres, which I think that's really good. It's just a shame it didn't let more heat out. Right, I'll let you know if it smokes. Well, it's letting a little bit of smoke out, but nowhere near as much as it usually does. Right, it's not quite fired up yet. Just pushing away merrily. Right, I think that's about as much smoke as it's gonna get up. It's a bit smoky. It might not even fire up. I'll let you know. Well, it's fired up, and that bit of smoke that you saw is the only smoke that it kicked out, and that is now hot air coming out of there. So I don't know, I'm just waiting for the controller and whatever to arrive, and then I'll install them. But this one's mainly for fuel consumption. Right, that's the time now. That's when it started, so it's been running about 9.5 hours, same as yesterday. Today I've run it on 3 pips, and I'll just go see how much diesel it's gone through. It is at 13 litres, so I'll look that out and put it on the wiki. Right, we'll just nip outside and see if it's smoking. Right, we've got no smoke, and that's air coming out of there. So it could have been that all the time. It just didn't have enough voltage, whatever, to get it going. So let's go check on the fuel. Yesterday I ran it for roughly the same time, and I had it on setting 3. There's the fuel, 13 litres, so 2 litres it went through. I think it's 10 hours on setting 3. Right, yesterday we did it on 3, today I'm going to up it to 4. See what it goes up to then. See how much juice we use, or I'll do it in the same amount of time. Right, it's on number 4 setting. Well, let's see what the temperature is on the little blue bit. Go away, pig. There's the little blue bit, and there's the temperature. Hold on, there it is, and that's the temperature. 170. It seems to be blowing a cold breeze here. See where it's coming from. Nope, that's definitely coming out of there. Right, I'll add this bit to the others. Well, it's 24th and I've just had a delivery, and I'm presuming this is going to be the controller. Let's have a look in here, if I can get into it. Right, there you go. Yep, it's the controller. There we go. 5 buttons. There's the motherboard. The POM. So hopefully that is just going to pop straight into the place where the other motherboard is. And I'll have to chop the end off of that and dismantle this bit here, your vacuum cleaner, disconnect that bit there and then reconnect. Just hoping that that bit of wire on there is going to be the same length. If not, I might have to go underneath and pull a bit of wire up. I think what I'm going to do is leave that in the box, and I will keep running the heater until I've had it up to 6 pips, and that'll give me a fuel consumption with that controller, and then I will swap over for this one and then probably do another one with this one once I've been into advanced settings and sorted bits out. But hopefully changing that inverter thing, whatever it is, that will have sorted out the smoking problem. Right, I'll let you know what happens. I've just thought I haven't been showing you the room temperature. Right, I'll just zap this again. Right, I always get zapped at the same part. Right, that's on the blue tag and it's kicking out 173, 174. But if I come over here, if you can see that, where is it? I'm down at the bottom now, it looks like it's just short of 20. 19. That one says 19. I will click the hive. Oops, I hope I haven't put a thingy on it. I don't know what I've done. Oh, actual temperature, but at 19.3. Now, I must be a frozen ass, because if that's 19.3, I still feel cold in this house. So, I need more heat. And it is still on 4 pips. And it's not as if it's dull and cloudy outside, because it's bright sunshine. It's all sunshine out there, and according to the one that I've got dangling in this room, this says it is 24.3. But I have got both vents open, that's open as well, so that's blowing it into this area. But this one, apart from it being the biggest room, it's also the kitchen, and that door gets open. But even so, that should eat this up, because that door hasn't been open for about 2 hours. Well, it's now 6:30 on the 24th, and time to turn it off. It's been running all day on 4 pips. It's dark outside, you can't see because it's pitch black, so we will have to see how much diesel it's gone through in the morning. Come on, you fucking thing, turn off. There you go. Right, we'll see how much fuel it's gone through in the morning. Right, it is 7 minutes past 12 on the 25th. It's Saturday. Yesterday I ran it at 4, and I also upped the voltage on that. It was 12 point something, now it's 13.8. No, 11 point something, now it's 12.8. So today I'm going to start it up, put it on 5 and see if it smokes. And that's what it went on yesterday when it got turned off. Right, we're on 5 pin. Now we'll see if it's going to smoke. It's nice and sunny today. Those pipes all over the place because I watched car yesterday. Right. Usual, we're not doing now. I will join you again once it's firing up. Right, we've got smoke, and it's not fully on yet, it's just starting. So it was turned off on 4 pips. Yep. It's fully smoking again. Now when it was on 2 pips, I didn't get no smoke in the morning. And I was hoping that by upping the voltage on the transformer, that would heat the glow plug up better so that it wouldn't smoke, but evidently that hasn't worked. Right, I'll join you again in a minute. Well, that's it. It's up and running again. I'm presuming that's going to be hot air. Yeah, that's hot air. So it's up and running. It's just getting the smoke at the beginning again. And if it's doing it on 5 pips, it will definitely do it on 6. Oh, let's go see what the diesel is doing got downstairs today. I know I don't lift for some reason. Right, move that crap. There it is, just under 11. So it's gone 17 to 15, 15 to 13, 13 to 11 and a bit. So far it's gone through about 2 litres in 10 hours with just a little bit extra on 4 pips. Right, I'll have to put that on my little notes. See you in a bit. Right, we're still on the 5 pips, it'll be on 5 pips all day, and now I'm going to do the heat test on this bit. There's a lot of air coming out. Go away, pig! Piggy, go away! And that's the temperature on the blue, if you can see it. That's a little blue tag thing there, and that's the temperature. Well, we've just been out for a couple of hours. It's now 10 to 2. When we got back, I had a parcel. There's the glow plug thingy bits. That's the one that I've got. So now I'm going to take them out and match them up just to make sure that they are the same size. What do you want, piggy piggy? Right, I've matched them up. That one is the where am I? That one is the same as that one, but this is it's got like metal composites in it, so that's a lot better one. That one, that one is the same, but it's a bit bent out of shape, but they are the right size, so now I know which ones to get. Just bend that a little bit, see if I can't get it back into shape. And the glow plug, I'm presuming, oh, it's got one of them wire things as well. I'm presuming that's just a metal thing for keeping it safe. And that should fit right on. No, hold on. That's the glow plug. That's the glow plug there. Ah, that's the tool for taking it on and off. Yeah, that's what that is. Right, that can go into the spares box, and when I get round to it, I will put the new glow plug in. I don't need the gaskets at the moment, but I'll put the new glow plug in, and probably the new wire mesh thing, that thing there, and see if that makes any difference, but I doubt it. Right, see you next time. Curiosity got the better of it, so I'm seeing what it's kicking out at the actual heater. That's been out of the heater at 177. I've just done it outside and it was 177, I think, and this is what it's getting on that blue bit of stuff inside. So it's actually losing a couple of degrees, but that's all. But that could be because it's blowing out at this vent and the other one. And that's because somebody posted a comment in one of the previous ones that I was losing the heat between the heater and the actual vent. So I thought I'd just try that out today and for circa 2 degrees it ain't worth bothering about. Almost forgot the temperature. Did it again, push that. It is 21 degrees on the mantelpiece, and we're still on 5 pips. So that's the temperature today. Right, it came on at 7 minutes past 12. It is now 7 minutes past 10. Been on same 5, turning it off now, and I will do 6 pins tomorrow. Hey, I'll have tomorrow's clip and then I'll upload it to YouTube. Well, it's, call it 7:30 on the Sunday the 26th, and this will be the final test because it'll be going on to 6 pips today. Temperature inside is 15 degrees. The heater was on 5. I'm going to pop that up to 6 and we'll go see how much fuel it used yesterday and if we're going to get a load of smoke, which I think we're going to. Just got to pin this back. Right, move all the crap again. Right, that's how much diesel is left. Just a fraction under 8. Right, I'll bring you back when it's all fired up. It's not really started firing up yet. You don't have to ignore the wind. You might not be able to hear it, but I think you will because it's getting a bit breezy again. But it's trying to fire up, and we've got the smoke again. Right, it's just fired up now, so the smoke's gone. It literally takes a minute and a half to get rid of all the smoke. And I will let you know how much fuel it goes through on 6 pips. Right, it's 10 past 8 now, so it's been on best part of 3/4 of an hour, and that is the temperature it is kicking out on 6 pins. And you should be able to see where I'm actually getting it. There's a little blue thing there. See a little blue thing there? That's what I'm getting. And I do it on this bit here every time, so it's always the same position, so the reading should change. But there's the 6 pins, and I think the temperature it's been giving out is about the same whether it were 2 pins, 3 pins, 4 pins or 6 pins. I don't know why. It is now 12:30 and the temperature is 19 degrees. Right, so I'm just going to get the little gun thing in my blobby. A bit piggy. Right, put it in the same spot. Right, that's on the blue dot and it's coming in at 177, 181. It's coming, I think it's coming in about the same temperature no matter how many pips there is, because that's on 6 pips today and it's still kicking out the same temperatures down at the vents. It is now 12:30 and the temperature is 19 degrees. Right, so I'm just going to get the little gun thing in my blobby. A bit piggy. Right, put it in the same spot. Right, that's on the blue dot and it's coming in at 177, 181. It's coming, I think it's coming in about the same temperature no matter how many pips there is, because that's on 6 pips today and it's still kicking out the same temperatures down at the vents. Right, it's now 29 minutes past 5, so it's been going for 10 hours. On number 6, it's run fine, but the temperature coming out of there, I've checked on the previous clips and the temperature there is virtually the same. Right, because it were on so early this morning, I can see how much diesel we've used. Right. Gotta move up, crap out of the way again. Right, and there's the fuel. That's about 4.5 litres in there. So I'll put that on the sheets and then add a bit to this clip. Right, these are all the times and how many litres it's gone through and whatever, and what temperatures were. They're the settings, 1 pip, 2 pips, 3, blah 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 blah. That's the temperature at the vent. They're all about the same. They're all in low 70s, 170s. Highest ones 72, 75.2. But there, can you see that? That's my dates what I put them on, ons, offs. Right, I worked it out. They've been on, they've used 12.5 litres of diesel at £1.30 a litre. Turns out at £16.25, and they were actually running for 48 hours and 32 minutes. That's from starting it on pip 2 up to finishing it today. So it's cost £16.25 to get the temperature coming out at 175.2, which keeps the house above freezing, but that's about it. Right, I'm going to add this bit to the next ones, and that'll do. Well, the heater is now turned off because it's not warming the house up. So what I'll probably do over the next week or so is I will run the central heating and see how much that costs to run it for the same amount of hours. The only thing I can think what in altering the pressure, the temperature coming out of the vent down there, is there's somewhere in the controller where you can actually set the temperature up. But like I said in a previous video, the instructions for this were, I think they were written by a Chinese kid that couldn't speak English. So they went straight in the bin, and nobody has got this remote because it's only got 4 pins, 4 buttons and not 5. So I will be connecting the new controller up, which is down there. You can't see it because it's pitch black. But I will be connecting that up and the new glow plug probably tomorrow, and then I will see if I can get into that settings and see if I can get more heat coming out of it then. Right, I'm just editing it now and I will stick it on YouTube as soon as I've finished. Till next time, see you later, bye.